Name's Dave Dembo.
My name is Zafir Hussein.
My name is Rob Garcia.
Married 11 years. 3 kids now.
I have a lovely daughter by the name of Eva.
4 on the way. 1 on the way. I'm gonna have 4.
I have 4 kids. Oldest one is 23, 19, 10, and 4.
The reason baby talk is important is because the baby's trying to communicate with you, and so I feel like it's important for you to try to communicate back with the baby.
If it works for you, it works. I don't talk to any of my children in baby talk.
I think there's a certain age where you need to stop doing that.
What's baby talking to you?
Baby talk is like ba ba ba.
Oh, little baby wanna go to the baffy waffy?
You don't want your kids at 8 years old. I love you, Daddy. I really love you.
I don't know what ba 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 is, but ba 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 or da da or I can't do that sound because my mouth is a little dry right now.
Okay, that's cute. But you don't want your son at the age of 6 saying he needs to go to the baffy waffy.
Who doesn't like talking nonsense?
Well, they'll grow up talking like that. And then, I think after a certain age, you need to talk to them like they grown men or women.
My youngest son, who's 1, going to turn 2 in May, when I say to him, how are you feeling today? He goes, good. So he already is identifying with what I'm saying.
I mean, you can hold a conversation with your kids like a real conversation, and yeah, it's time to stop.
It's like there's times when I'm changing her diaper and I'm just making like ba 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 wow wow boom ching ba ba blah 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 blah, and she's like and I'm like, best day ever.
I see that all the time too. Spanish people do that a lot too. And if you 10 and you still say night night, oh yeah.
You need to talk to them like just straight words.
No, because you got to recognize that they're trying to communicate. So they're trying to speak your language, so you should be reciprocal of trying to speak their language, because you're at this gray area where nobody understands one another, but the only thing you do understand is love and affection. And so when you force one side to be submissive to this language, it doesn't make them feel loved or appreciated. So that's how I feel.
So, baby talk, if it works for you, it works for you. For me, we don't use it in my house. I use it with my dog.